Hello guys, and welcome to weekly outlook here on pound USD. We've got Euro USD, gold, USDCAD, and DXY. Of course, starting off with pound USD, if we put this on the daily time frame here, we could see kind of like we've seen price making new high and proceed here to retest these regions of 1.31. And honestly speaking, if you look here, it looks like we've created a head and shoulder pattern, and price might reject here and continue to pull back all the way back to these regions here. Or at the same time, this could be like a double bottom formation to see price create a new high. Now this is what we're going to do on the 4 hours time frame here. It looks like price would want to pull back into this region here, right? Retest one more time and then continue to create, break this region, retest, and continue to the upside. All right. Basically this is what we might see. Or at market open, if price doesn't get back all the way to this region and we get a break of price above this region, then we could just buy around 1.86 regions right there. So we're going to react to what price would do. I think it's best to see that price will be back for sales when I see price literally below this region one more time. Then I could be confident to see that price wants to continue its sell positions below these regions of 1.3395, or let's just call it 1.34. So between 1.3550 and 1.34, that's 150 pips. Depends on what kind of price formation we'd see around here, but for now I think at market open we might see price continue to the downside. I'd like to see rejection patterns around here to buy price to the upside. So basically with the downward trend line and the kind of formations I'm seeing here, I think we might want to see price continue to the upside, breaking above these regions of 1.36. So let's see what happens though. Over here on Euro USD, quite very similar. Price might reject from this region, and with that rejection we could see price maybe pull back to these regions one more time and either continue back to the top. If price breaks above this region, then we could actually continue buys from there, or the rejection patterns around this region here, then we could buy Euro USD. At market open, if price decides to break above this region straight away, then we'll look for a retest and then we'll continue the buys around there. I will only be confident to start looking for sell opportunities literally from here. I would hold, and very confident when we see price below this region here. Alright, that's Euro USD. And then gold, we've seen price doing some kind of formations here. Initially I wanted price to break below this region here, retest, and then continue to the downside. At market open, I would like to see price continue really to the downside, retesting these regions and possibly 32.85. For buys, I would like to see price above this region one more time for buys, then to this point 3400 and possibly above. So let's see what happens. USDCAD, we've seen price retesting this region one more time to continue to the upside. In that case, I would also want to see price either break above this region to continue to that upside, or we could see price reject from this region and pull back to this region before continuing to the upside. I'm literally seeing a very strong USDCAD here, which means there's a possibility for a strong DXY to see price continue from here to this point, and even above here on the DXY. Otherwise, we would see price break below this region one more time, a retest, and we could see price continue to the downside. Now if price continues strongly to the upside from here at 97, then we'll be very much confident to see that price will pull back all the way at least to this regions here. At least 100 pips or even 85 pips can be backed from this region from market open. Similarly here on Euro USD. Otherwise, if price breaks below this retest and continue to the downside, then we'll be looking for buy opportunities for both pound USD and Euro USD. Alright, that's that. I'll see you guys for recap. There's no longer updates for now. I'll see for recap during the weekends and do back some pips. Ciao.